If you want to get smarter, it's not about IQ or talent. It's about the habits you repeat every day. The biggest mistake most people make is grabbing their phone the moment they wake up. When you open your eyes, your brain is at its sharpest, calm, and focused. One scroll floods it with stress, noise, and instant dopamine, training your mind to react before it thinks. That's why focus dies so fast later in the day. Start your morning with silence instead. Let your brain wake up clean. Then get sunlight and move your body. Morning light resets your internal clock, boosts mood, and improves focus for the entire day. Add a short walk and blood flow increases. Oxygen rises and ideas come easier, because the human brain evolved to think while moving. Hydration matters too. Your brain is mostly water, and after sleep, it's dehydrated. That morning fog isn't laziness, it's lack of water. Drink water before coffee, and your brain literally turns back on. What you eat matters as well. Your brain burns about 20% of your energy, so feeding it real food like eggs, fruit, nuts, and oats improves memory and focus, while junk food spikes dopamine and leaves you mentally empty. Use your sharpest hours wisely by doing one mentally hard thing early in the day. Struggle builds intelligence. Push through discomfort, and your brain rewires itself to focus better. Cold showers or light movement can further wake your nervous system by boosting alertness and mood. Take short breaks after deep work, because rest is maintenance, not weakness. Before bed, learn something small, so your brain stores it during sleep. And most importantly, sleep at the same time every night. Sleep is when your brain repairs, organizes, and locks in learning. Do these things consistently, and intelligence stops being something you wish for and becomes something you build daily.